In northern China, a factory making clean hydrogen runs completely off-grid, powered only by its own wind and solar farms. This creates a huge challenge. What happens when the wind stops or clouds cover the sun? The solution is an AI that acts like an orchestra conductor, constantly adjusting the factory's industrial output to match the fluctuating power supply. When the wind howls, production ramps up to capture every watt. When it's calm, it scales back instantly. This single factory is a window into China's massive national strategy. As the world's biggest installer of renewables, China is betting on AI to manage the sheer complexity of a grid increasingly powered by the weather. Through its AI plus energy plan, it's building highly specialized tools for singular tasks, like balancing the grid or operating a nuclear plant. This is a deliberate contrast to the US focus on general AI, a targeted approach for the immense challenge of perfectly synchronizing a nation's electricity supply and demand at all times.
Imagine a city's power grid that thinks for itself. That's the promise of AI in energy management. It predicts when the sun will shine and when we'll crank up the AC, letting us store clean power in batteries instead of firing up dirty coal plants. In Shanghai, this isn't science fiction. They've launched a virtual power plant, linking everything from EV chargers to data centers into one coordinated network. A recent trial cut demand by the equivalent of an entire small coal plant. It's a huge win, but it hides a dangerous paradox. The very AI designed to save our grid is one of its biggest threats. By 2030, China's AI data centers are projected to consume more electricity annually than the entire nation of Japan. So the tool meant to solve our energy crisis might just be creating a much bigger one.
China's AI boom has a dirty secret. It's running on coal. That's the warning from researcher Sheng Qiang, who fears this rapid expansion could derail the nation's climate goals. In response, regulators are cracking down, demanding data centers become more efficient and use more renewables each year. The strategy is two-pronged. First, build new facilities out west where sun and wind are plentiful. But on the coast, they're testing something truly innovative, an underwater data center near Shanghai, using seawater for cooling and powered by an offshore wind farm. But here's the twist. Despite its massive energy hunger, Sheng argues AI could still be a net positive for the climate. By optimizing heavy industry, managing complex power grids, and refining carbon markets, it's a critical tool for cutting emissions. This leaves us with a powerful paradox. AI is both the accelerator we need to reach climate targets and a massive engine whose own thirst for power must be kept in check. A tool that could save us, but only if we control it first.